Hello students, I am Prem Prakash Shukla, your mathematics teacher. Today we will learn about the chapter first, knowing our numbers. Our first chapter is knowing our numbers. In this chapter we will learn about, first we will learn about natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers. So what do we mean by natural numbers and what do we mean by whole numbers? First of all, natural numbers, and our next topic is whole numbers. Whole numbers. So today we will learn about what is natural number and what is whole number and what is the difference between natural number and whole number, and what are the features of natural number and whole number. So first of all, we will study about natural numbers. What is natural number? So the natural number is a number system which starts with 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes endlessly. So the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which goes on endlessly, they all are known as natural numbers. It goes on endlessly as there are infinite numbers. We all know the numbers are infinite. So, and the smallest natural number is 1. So, we can say smallest natural number is 1. So the natural number system always starts from 1. And goes on endlessly, and the smallest natural number is 1. Now, with the invention of zero, the whole number system was formed. And the whole number system always starts from 0. And it also goes endlessly. So the whole number starts from 0 and goes on endlessly. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all numbers are whole numbers. And endlessly, and as there are infinite numbers. We all know there are infinite numbers. So the whole number also it starts from 0 and goes endlessly. Now the smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is 0. So you see, in natural number system, the number system starts from 1 and goes on endlessly, and the smallest natural number is 1. And in whole number starts from 0 and it goes on endlessly, and the smallest whole number is 0. And every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, which goes on endlessly, they all are whole numbers. But 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. But you see, 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. 0 whole number है लेकिन natural number नहीं है. तो natural number ऐसे numbers हैं जो 1 से लेके endlessly infinite तक जाते हैं. और सबसे छोटा नेचुरल नंबर जो है वो 1 है। और उसके बाद होल नंबर, जीरो के इन्वेंशन के साथ होल नंबर की शुरुआत हुई थी, तो होल नंबर जीरो से लेके इंडलेसली तक जाते हैं और सबसे छोटा जो होल नंबर है वो 0 है। और नेचुरल नंबर जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर, जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर हैं वो सारे होल नंबर होते हैं, बट 0 नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, इसीलिए 0 को नेचुरल नंबर में इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता है। और इसको अगर हम नंबर लाइन में अगर हम देखेंगे तो इस तरीके से हम इसको देख सकते हैं, दैट इज 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the number which starts from 0, this is whole number. Whole number, yes, that means starts from 0. Starts from 0 to here. This is whole number, and the natural number is, it starts from 1. This is natural number. So you see, whole number starts from 0 and goes on infinity, and in the same way natural number starts from 1 and goes on endlessly. So in this way we can easily know what is natural number and what is whole number, and what is the difference between natural number and whole number. Now, how we can write the definition of natural number and whole number? Now, what is the definition of natural number and whole number? Now we will write the definition of natural number and whole number. So first we will write the definition of natural number. What is the definition of natural number? So natural number, the counting numbers which starts from 1 2 3, it starts from 1 and goes on endlessly are called natural numbers. So what is natural number? Natural number is the counting numbers which starts from 1 and goes on endlessly are called natural numbers. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these all of these are natural numbers. And in the same way, what is whole number? So what is whole number? The number that starts from 0 and goes on endlessly are whole numbers. So this is the definition of whole number. The number that starts from 0, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, these all which goes on endlessly are all whole numbers. And we know the smallest natural number is 1 and the 0. So we all know the smallest natural number is 1 and the smallest whole number is 0. So in this way we knew about what is natural number and what is whole number. So once again, the counting numbers which start from 1 and goes on endlessly. The counting numbers that starts from 1 से जो शुरू होंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जो इंडलेसली जाएंगे, जो कभी भी खत्म नहीं होंगे, वो सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं. और ऐसे नंबर्स जो 0 से स्टार्ट होंगे और इंडलेसली जाएंगे, यानी कभी खत्म नहीं होंगे, वो सारे होल नंबर्स होंगे. अंतर इतना ही है कि नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होता है और होल नंबर में 0 भी इंक्लूड होता है, वो 0 से स्टार्ट होता है. 0 से इंडलेसली जो नंबर्स लिखे जाते हैं वो होल नंबर्स होते हैं, और जो 1 से इंडलेसली नंबर जो लिखे जाते हैं वो सारे नेचुरल नंबर होते हैं. और सबसे छोटा नेचुरल नंबर 1 है और सबसे छोटा होल नंबर 0 है. Now our next topic is, now we come to our next topic. Now we come to our next topic. Our next topic is that is face value, and next one is place value. So what is face value in a number and what is the place value in a number? So the face value in a number, the face value of the digit is the digit itself. Now face value in a number, the face value is the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. For example, if we write a number that is 4 5 7 3 2, now if we have to write the face value of 5, so the face value of 5 is 5, the digit itself. Yes, the digit itself. In a number, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of 5 in the given number is 5, because the face value of any digit is the digit itself. वो digit खुद होता है, उसका face value वो digit खुद होता है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे 5 का face value 5 होगा. Now, what do we mean by place value? Now next term is place value. So what is place value? So in a number, the place value of a digit is the digit multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 and so on, depending on the place it occupies in a numeral. So the place value of the digit in a number is the numerical value that it gets by its position in the number. So we can say the place value of a digit, the place value of a digit, किसी भी डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू in a number is the numerical value that it gets that it gets of its its position in the number. So what is place value? The place value of a digit in a number is the numerical value that it gets of its position in the number. उस नंबर में वो जिस पोजीशन पे होगा उस पोजीशन के हिसाब से उसका प्लेस वैल्यू लिखा जाता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल प्लेस वैल्यू फॉर एग्जांपल that is 5 4 3 2 1 7 6. So we have to write the place value of this underlined digit. So this underlined digit, इस digit, ये underlined digit का हमको इसमें place value लिखना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसके पोजीशन को हम पहले पता लगाएंगे. that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It is in lakhs position. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. लाख की पोजीशन पे है. that is its place value is 4 lakh. So we can write the place value that is 4 lakh. So we can write 4 lakh. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ये अंडरलाइन डिजिट का हमको यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यू लिखना है. तो इस तरीके से पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसके पोजीशन को काउंट करेंगे. वंस के प्लेस से वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख. ये लाख की प्लेस पे है ये 4, तो इसलिए इसका जो प्लेस वैल्यू होगा वो होगा 4 लाख इन वर्ड्स और वी कैन राइट 4 लाख इन नंबर्स. तो इस तरीके से जो है हम प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू को भी हम लिख सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच.